Hey everyone, this is Sean from Cars by Sean, and on this beautiful Saturday morning, I'm greeting you to take you for a walk around on this beautiful 2018 Hyundai Elantra. So as usual, I've parked this car under the sun so we can walk around it, take a look at its exterior details, and then we'll work our way into the vehicle itself. So for starters, this is a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. It's a limited edition. Uh, this is what adds to its beauty. There are a couple perks that come with limited edition Elantras. It is had two owners, clean history, clean Carfax, clean title. It is one accident. If you check the website of AZ Cars, it shows one minor fender bender back in a time. I forgot what year was it, but it was a long time ago on the front right hand side. But I did my look into this vehicle. I don't see anything, and together with you now, we will go into detailed look and we'll try to find if there are any issues that we can see. Now, starting from the front of the vehicle, pretty solid. Whoever was the previous drivers, they did take a really good care. Speaking of Carfax, if you look at the details on Carfax, you'll see a lot of maintenance records on this car. That's not always the case, but on this car you will see it. So on the front hood, I can see scratch here, probably from tree or something. Tires. Now about the limited edition Elantras come with 17-inch rims that are charcoal. So these are not silver. These are not just aluminum alloy wheels. These are alloy wheels with charcoal coating. This adds the elegance to it. So front tires, we did change them ourselves. You see, these are brand new tires. Rear tires, we'll take a look at them separately. In terms of the other exterior concerns here, I don't see much except for small scratches here. These are normal. I think most of them can be buffed out. And one other thing, this vehicle is equipped with smart entry. So the key is in my pocket, and so you don't need to take it out of your pocket to enter or exit the vehicle. You can lock it with the smart unlock and smart lock. Okay, so navigating our way to the rears of the vehicle, bumper again is pretty clean. I believe this car might have been a garage parked car. There is a protective cover here which protects from these scratches, but this is the bumper itself is plastic. I'm usually not concerned about it. You've probably heard it from our previous videos, but this still adds some more value to it, and that comes from factory. So it's not it's a feature that you need to get from factory. So rear tires, we haven't changed them, but they are pretty solid. You can see that other thread here. Um, and the rear right hand side, I don't see any blemishes or scratches except for this buffable blemish here. Uh, and I think, yeah, it's all good. Roof is also pretty solid, no issues whatsoever. And so let's eventually work our way into the vehicle. I'm gonna start the car, and first thing first, we'll listen to the engine itself. Okay. Yeah. All right. We'll talk about interior, but before we do, let me just start the vehicle. So it's a push start. Starts right away. Let me pop up the hood. Let's check that out and let the AC do its job. We're gonna talk about AC, the climate control in this vehicle in a minute. Okay. This vehicle comes with 2 liter straight 4-cylinder engine. So there is no turbo, no nothing associated with it. It's pretty easy to maintain, and these are pretty solid engines. As long as you do your maintenance on time, you do your oil change, it is pretty solid. No issues whatsoever. I don't know. Probably the noise cancellation is going to block uh, the engine sound, but sounds pretty solid. And the battery has been replaced last year, 2024 April. Okay, right now. Comes with side turn signals as well. Before we get into the car, as usual, let's check the electronics. So I'm putting down the windows. Starting from the right front window, works as expected. Right rear window, left rear, and driver side. Driver side is fully automatic. The others are semi-automatic. Okay. On the driver door, before I move to other doors, this is a common issue with Hyundais, not just Elantras. Sonatas have the same issue as well. They wear and tear because of the use. Okay. Now, left rear door, the driver side rear passenger door looks clean, and the leather on the rear passenger side, the driver side looks also clean. This is a good sign. This is the original VIN number. It means nothing has been changed on the part. Okay, popping up the trunk. And what I like about these cars is they do come with the rear handle. Some cars they don't come with. The only option you have is to uh, open from inside. This is a little bit worn, but it's okay. And we also have the rear view camera. We'll test it when we're inside. The trunk space is pretty huge, uh, and you have your original floor mats in the back. These are front floor mats, and you have your spare donut, which is not used at all because you have original thread, and you have your tire replacement kit. Okay. Again, the VIN number is on the part, so it means nothing has happened here. So this is the original part and everything. Okay, passenger side, rear door, pretty clean. Leather is as new. So if I would guess, I would say that this vehicle was driven by someone who uh, was a daily driver, and he drove. The wear and tear I can see is only on the driver's side. On the passenger side, very minimal. There's nothing here. Okay. Now, once again, walk our way into the car. This time we're going to talk about the clusters and controls and everything. And the car is beeping because, as I said earlier, we have a smart key on this car. It's a start, stop, and smart entry. That's why every time the vehicle's on, you see the uh, warning sign saying the vehicle's on every time the vehicle's on. And if you're outside the vehicle with your key on you, the car is going to beep, reminding you that, hey, the car is running. Maybe you forgot to turn me off. Okay, now when you enter on this one comes with a blind spot monitoring system. So on the mirrors as well, you'll see these signs. So if you are changing lanes, that will warn you that if there is a vehicle on your blind spot. This is traction control, and this one controls uh, the sharpness of the cluster. Okay. Speaking of the cluster, the vehicle has only 84,000 miles on it. So, generally speaking, Hyundai's they give 100,000 mile warranty. Of course, it applies for the first owners. Uh, for consequent owners, they do go up to 60,000 miles. But generally speaking, that tells you how solid these cars are. Okay. Um, no warning signals, no warning signals, and on the steering wheel you have this button. This it will let you to go through all the options that you have here. So this vehicle also comes with controls for the voice, volume, phone, and cruise and everything. Okay. Also, your headlights are automatic, and these are your controls for the windshield wipers. Okay. Pretty clean, pretty solid. Uh, on the center dash, you have the connectivity. This, I believe, will allow you to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So this is great to have. And of course, I said we're going to test the backup camera, and there you go. It comes with uh, directions as to as I turn the wheel, it changes the directions as to where the car is probably going to end up going. Okay. Climate control is automatic. So, and it is dual side climate control, meaning I can control my side and we can change the right side as well. Okay. Pre-standard automatic transmission. You also get heated seats, front seats. Drive mode allows you to change it from eco to regular to sport. So if there is no light on, it means you're in regular driving mode. This means eco. This means sport. I don't recommend eco, and I don't think why you would want a sport mode on this vehicle. But yeah, just leave it be on a regular driving mode. The weapon compartment will have your uh, original papers, original books, and also the previous owner installed uh, special key lock, to lug nut key. So this is to prevent the tires from being uninstalled or stolen. Okay. The interior, one other thing I'm going to tell you about is the interior. The color is beige. This is actually very important feature for a hot place like Houston. And this vehicle has been owned and driven in Arizona and Texas. So whoever the owner was, they knew what they're getting, and they specifically asked for this. Usually, people say that I want black on black because this vehicle is technically dark blue. Okay, also can be thought that it's black outside, but what I recommend is you don't want to get a black letter on a Houston to drive in Texas or Arizona because it will get hot. It will burn you. Okay. That's about it. So last but not least, let me show you the uh, headliner. Pretty clean. The car is as clean as it gets. Low miles. Drives like new. New tires. Definitely something that you have to come and see before it is gone. Thank you for watching. I will see you on next videos.